Hello beautiful family, welcome back once again. So today's recipe is just a very quick one. We are making some chicken noodles with a lot of vegetables. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm using boneless chicken legs. You can also use chicken breasts if that's what you prefer. And I'm just seasoning this with oyster sauce, with soy sauce, black pepper, and also here a tablespoon of cornstarch. And I'm just going to mix all together and make sure all is well combined, and then I'm just going to let it sit. You can also put in your refrigerator if your temperature or your room temperature is too hot, but here is a bit cold, so I just let it sit on the counter. And here with the preparation of the noodles, I have the water boiling. I just added a tablespoon of salt, and then I added the noodle, and I'll let it cook for just 2 minutes because I don't want it overcooked. But if you want it a little bit more overcooked, you can cook it for 5 minutes. After that, I just rinse it with cold water, and I just added a tablespoon of oil that will help it to separate, not to stick together. And I'm just going to let it sit while I go ahead to prepare the sauce for the noodles. So for the sauce, I'm also using soy sauce, 2 tablespoons each, oyster sauce, and then I have here Maggi sauce. You can also use any other sauce that you prefer. You can also add chili sauce or sweet and sour sauce. It depends the taste that you want for your noodles. And I just mix all and let it sit. So here I'm using spring onions, carrots, cabbage, garlic, and that's what I'll be using. I'll also be using some green pepper and some onions. So I just roughly chopped these spring onions. And I'll chop the tail more smaller because that part is a bit harder. And then here I have the carrot, and then my cabbage. You can also chop your cabbage into any shape that you prefer. And then I'm just crushing the garlic and then chop it. And that's it. So here I have the green pepper and then the onion, which I'm also going to slice. So if you want to add more peppers to your noodles, you can go ahead and do that. You can add the yellow one, the red one also, which is also good. So after that, I just have added some oil. I'm using corn oil for this recipe, and I'm going to stir fry these chicken legs. I'll fry it so the liquid is dry out, but not too hard. That's why I'm using the chicken legs, because I don't want it to be dry. I want it nicely fried but also very juicy. And if you use the part of the leg, it's always soft, nicer, and very juicy. And that's done. I'm going to go ahead to fry my onions just a little bit, not too much. And I'll go ahead to add in the garlic. So I'll stir fry this just a little bit, just about 30 seconds. And then the carrot. So I'm going to be stir frying this carrot for about 1 minute because the carrot is a bit harder, or it can be a little bit stronger than the rest of the vegetables. So I'll stir fry it for 1 minute, and that's it. I don't want it also too much fried. I want everything in this noodle crunchy, so you can fry yours to your taste. After that, I just added the chicken, and now I'm going to be adding the rest of the ingredients step by step. So you keep on stir frying and make sure you do that to your taste. If you want it more softer, you go ahead and do that. At this point, I'm going to be adding my cabbage, and also I will just stir fry this for about 30 seconds, not more than that. And that's it. I added my green pepper. I love green pepper because it gives flavor to the food, especially when you are doing stir fry. It gives a lot of flavor to it. But like I said before, you can also add all the type of peppers, the green, the red, the yellow, anyone that you love. So after that, I just added in my noodles, and I'm going to add in the sauce also that I prepare, and then I'm going to mix all together and make sure all is well combined. I'm not going to be doing this for more than 1 minute. 1 minute is just perfect for all that way. All the vegetables and the noodle also will remain very nice and crunchy. And that's it. I added in the rest of my spring onions just to the last, and then I'll just off the fire because I don't want the spring onion to overcooked. So that's it, and it's very quick and easy to do. So I hope you guys find this helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you all for supporting this channel. I really do appreciate all of you. And if today is the first time of clicking to this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking, and do not forget to hit that red button that says subscribe. Please always eat healthy, drink healthy, and stay healthy. Hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.